What if just 4 books could help transform your marriage or relationship into one built on faith, unity, resilience, and lasting love? What if these 4 books could connect you directly to the will of God for marriages and relationships? Books that come complete with biblical scriptures that will lead and guide you along the way, all based on scripture. Introducing the Stronger Together 4-book bundle. This Christ-centered collection includes 4 inspiring books designed to strengthen communication, deepen connection, build resilient partnerships, and help couples walk together in God's purpose. You can buy them separately at Books by Dr. Anthony T. Craft, author. Get the 4-book bundle retail value, $72.96. Bundle price, only $49.99. You save $22.97, more than 31% off. Get all 4 books for just $49.99 and save over 31%. Invest in your marriage today. Get it right here. DranthonyCraft1.gumroad.com, LUHDMN, and start building a stronger marriage together.